All right, good morning. November 7th, Wednesday. Let's get it going. Okay, so today, or yesterday, rather say, yesterday I had an incident, but it's not a really big incident when it comes to like almost losing your life or losing your job or whatever you want to assume it is. My laptop just died. My work laptop, thank goodness. My work laptop just died on me yesterday. And the main problem is like I had these deliverables that I need to deliver to my team by the end of next week so that our projects can be ready for consumers to start using as there was a plan for. But unfortunately, as I said, my laptop just died on me. You go there, I'm working on it. The application starts going very, very slow. That was very suspicious. I decided to turn it off and on. And then when it starts back on, I'm not able to log in. I'm not sure if I was getting hacked. That'll be interesting. That'd be really cool. But anyway, I don't want to talk about the laptop. That's just like how I started thinking about today's topic, which is pretty much how to recover from setbacks or just being resilient. In this story, I am still trying to recover from this setback because, like, although most of my work is backed up in the cloud, mostly in GitHub, I have to say that a lot of if you're a developer, I'm pretty sure you know this. The development environment is very crucial. It takes a pretty while, especially in the enterprise work environment, to get like all the processes right, to get just in general the development environment to be recovered to the state where it was. And at the same time, I had like a lot of notes that I would refer to like all the time, just for example, the C names and like some architecture stuff that were permanently lost. So again, what I could learn from this experience is just how important it is to be resilient in times when you have this kind of setbacks. I mean, this setback is not really that big of a deal, but in the long term, I definitely just lost one day of productivity. That one day, I could have solved about like 2 or 3 issues that will give me like a step ahead in achieving the goal that we're trying to achieve as a team. So that's like one day of development is lost. It's one day of quality assurance testing that is lost. There's one day of users trying out the application that is lost. Pretty much it's time that is lost and will never recover. And the most precious resource that everyone has definitely is time. You get it all equally, but it is not used as efficiently by everyone. So in this kind of events, I would say like the old saying, I don't know if it's an old saying or not, but I heard it somewhere saying like in good times, keep your head low. In bad times, keep your head high. So this is not really a bad time, but we have to be focused. Like every time there is an issue such as these, try to figure out your priorities and how to recover as fast as possible. And never lose sight of your goals. Because what matters the most is just keeping that finish line in front of your eyes, that point in the horizon that you'd like to keep on walking towards. It's not necessary that you need to run, because a lot of people are trying to say like, oh, you need to compress that time between where you are and where you want to be as short as possible, and I agree. You don't want to waste too much time in just like following this path and never pushing yourself to what's beyond that arrival point. Was I like to call it like the first checkpoint, because the way I see it is that it is a never-ending trip, if you want to call it. It's a never-ending process. So keep on going. I'm talking to myself right now. It's a long day ahead of me. I like to wake up pretty early. It's 5:41 right now. Cheering myself up. But anyway, if anyone is watching this, maybe I've seen like there's like a few viewers, one or two viewers who come and I don't know, learn or not learn something. Probably need to invest in a better camera rather than shooting these videos in my phone. What do you think? How do you recover from setbacks? What is the first thing that comes to your mind? In my case, yesterday, the first thing that came to my mind is that, oh my God, it's like too much work. It's a lot. I have multiple applications that I need to keep on going to like manipulate and update and add new features to. And now I don't have access to my computer. Just like, oh. I mean, it happens. I'm pretty sure like a lot, it happened to a lot of people. But again, the most important thing is, no matter what, don't lose sight of where you want to go, of that finish line, of that checkpoint. Just keep on going. Strategize what's the best way for you to recover from your current situation, to pick up slack again. Keep the steam engine up and running. Keep it running, just like keep on moving. All right, that'll be it for today. Thank you for watching.